Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I welcome you. On this channel, we do a lot of makeup and vlogs. We also do recipes, Zumba, we kind of do it all. So if that's something you are interested in, then please consider subscribing and sticking around. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a very easy and delicious churro cheesecake. Perfect for the holidays, but really any gathering this would be really good for. So if you're interested in seeing how to make this yummy dessert, then please keep on watching. On the screen, you can see all of the ingredients that we're going to be using for this recipe. I'll also go ahead and list down in the description box each ingredient with the exact amount that you'll need, together with the step-by-step instructions in case you guys want to make this as well. And then I also went ahead and I picked up the sweetened condensed milk and the dulce de leche in these squeezable tubes, because just to make my life easier at the end when we drizzle some of this on top. We're going to begin by making our sugar cinnamon mix. So in a large bowl, half a cup of sugar together with a tablespoon of cinnamon. I like cinnamon a lot, so I just went ahead and did this and then an extra dash. Give this a nice mix and set aside. Next, in another large mixing bowl, we're going to be taking our cream cheese. I have 2 of them, so 16 ounces in total. 1/3 cup of sour cream, get it all in there. We'll also be using 1 egg, crack it in there, and then we're going to be taking a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then take your can of sweetened condensed milk and you're going to scoop it all into that mix. It is very thick, so I do recommend getting it all out with a spoon. It will take some time, but you don't want to leave any behind. And I like to scrape that can like if there's no tomorrow. So scrape, scrape, scrape. Don't be afraid to get in there. This is our cream cheese filling, so that's what it's going to be looking like, and you want to blend until it is smooth. Then you're going to grab your baking pan and we're going to spray it with our cooking spray or baking spray. This is just the one I happen to have. And we're going to start sprinkling our cinnamon sugar mix onto the bottom, just half of it because we're going to use it again on top. So spread that out nice and evenly. Then you want to take one of your crescent dough rolls and we're going to just lay it on top of that cinnamon sugar. Then pour all of that cheesecake filling on top of that. Then you want to grab your other crescent dough roll and lay it on top of the cheesecake mix. I had an oopsies. Yeah, this part was more difficult than I thought. I was just trying to get it nice and flat and even, and it was just a little bit difficult. Then you want to go ahead and spray it once again and sprinkle the rest of your cinnamon sugar on top. We're going to bake it in the oven at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. After that, this is what it looks like straight out of the oven, and then you just want to let it rest for another 30 minutes before putting it in the fridge. And we do want to leave it in the fridge for at least 3 hours. This is after the 3 hours in the fridge, and now it's time to drizzle it with some more sweetened condensed milk and dulce de leche. I recommend drizzling it until you're about to cut it. I should have thought about this. I don't know why I didn't. If you leave it on for too long, it becomes like a marble effect, which isn't bad. It just doesn't look drizzled. You know what I mean? So I recommend doing this at the very end, like right when you're about to cut it, or you can even drizzle it like onto individual pieces. But I mean, this was all. It was a very easy, and guys, let me tell you, I do highly recommend trying it out. So easy, and it was very delicious. Otra vez lluvia, otra vez. Sabe bien deliciosa. Ya van 3 veces que decirlo. Yay! And Victor? Okay, I'm gonna try it now. Finally.